Welcome back to Lethal Xcess, and today we are going to complete level 2 to level 4 with the full power-ups. So it's going to be very fun, and we're just going to start with level 2, which is the Desert of No. Very cringe name. Yeah. No return. The Desert of No Return. Full power-ups. Okay, we already got the full power-ups. Yeah. And the extra life. Was it an extra life?
No, extra energy.
Ah. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Kill those mechanic hamsters and killer blades and bone dragons. I think whatever came here died into bones and now they live as bones. Yeah, you get it. You get it, you get it, you get it, you get it, yeah? No? So, kill Ant. Who should I fight next? Fail. Fail.
Here it gives an extra life if you kill all of them.
Fail. Everybody just fail. All of the enemies just fail. Pyramid. Avoid all this stuff. Dragons. With the thing that I killed these dragons so quickly, I'm very confident in killing the Ender Dragon in Minecraft. Because look, I just one-hit the dragons in this game. I love it. Super duper. Super food. Full energy. Full power-ups already. I think this must be the full ball power-up. Let's find out of the full secret power-ups. We can do. Yeah. Oh, I got the secret power-up. This is an amazing shuttle. It's the savior of the world. We got 4 lives. I'm okay with that. Give me more money. I wonder what's the boss. Triangle pyramid. Give me this. Give me this. Oh, what happened? I don't know. We still got 4 lives. Oh, sheesh. Boy, we're still playing. Look at that dragon. Look at that dragon. You hear the sound. It's very annoying. Very distracting me from the game. Come on. Come on. Oh, super powered up.
Oh, that's a speed.
Come on. I got the super power up. Triangle thingy. Don't mind me. I woke up in the morning, doing this in the morning, so yawns don't count. So many speeds, so many stuff. Boy, I see some cracks and I don't like it. Oh, legs. Do not like this. 3 Ender Dragons bitten in 1 second. 1 ran away. Go kill all of them. Kill all of them. Kill find all of them now. I don't want to see your face in this game. Get away. Yeah, boy. Is this the boss? There's no enemies. Yeah, this is the boss. Yeah, what the flip? What the heck? Who is that dude? Oh boy, he's so scary. Wow, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. He's so scary. I beat him. Boy, what the flip? Oh yeah. I'm a genius. Level 3, the evil garden. Sounds very dumb. Yeah, very dumb. This one's gonna be very, very long, I guess. Because we may be like a little toy rocket. And we... Oh, press button. I think this might be a little bit long. Because we might be a little toy in a professor's room. And he like tests the little rocket if it's powerful enough to save the world. Which is what I think it is. Maybe it's not that. I don't know what it's about. What is... Oh, gun! Hello, Mr. Gunny, you're dead. Hello, Mr. Flower, you're dead. Same thing, just get out of my way. I'm still the most powerful person in the whole entire universe. I can defeat everything. Told you. You'd never believe me, boys. Come on, kill them. Kill them. Get out of my sight. Collect the energy. I'm the king of the toy shooting thingies. Yeah. Exactly. Kill that, kill that. Oh my god. Oh, holy cow. Holy cow, Bessie. Holy Bessie. Holy cow. Come on. Oh, there's guns. Full powers. We gotta get full powers. What the flip? What the hell? I don't know. What? I don't want it to be game over. Give me super power up. I need super power up. Get the dollar. No, I don't think the dollar is very good. Indeed. Oh, look at all these little spaceships trying to break our little spaceship. We just got one life. So we got one energy life, I think, and one normal life, like extra life. So this is very bad. Is this like the tree house? Am I right? So this might be the tree house. And we almost completed Evil Garden. I bet we did. I think I needed to get a little achievement for destroying all the green stuff. Like, that would be really cool. But no. Go, go, go. Oh, Barbara. You know, I don't understand that the front has this super powerful gun, but the back has just something very stupid like when there's no enemies. I see almost no enemies. This must be the end. I don't see. No, this is not the end. No. There's more way to go. There's more to go. Where's that? Hello? Hello? What is that? Is that the boss? No. No, that's not the boss. That's not the boss. But it really looks like the boss. But don't get tricked on that one. That's still not the boss. But I think we're very close. I feel that it's somewhere closer, getting closer and closer. It must be somewhere.
No, the boss is after this river.
Somewhere. Somewhere close.
2-3 minutes.
Very close.
2-3 minutes away.
So close. We're getting so close.
Focus on the game.
Super duper gun. We got super gun.
Blaster! Blaster is the best shoot.
Whatever.
The best weapon.
But I really want to see all of the power-ups.
This is the maximum power-up.
But we can see all of the power-ups in the game.
You mean for all weapons?
Yeah.
But this the blaster is the best.
Yeah, but why can't we do a video like in the next series?
Yeah.
We can show all of the blasters. Am I right?
You want to show? No, there is blaster, laser, triangle is the worst. Triangle is the worst, really. It's useless. Triangle. Let's see. This is the boss.
Cannon.
Cannon. Blaster is the best, to be honest, because it's the most common. It is the one that works better. It works very well.
Come on!
Avoid the triangle. Don't take the triangle. If you take the triangle, it will downgrade all the weapon. Dollar is points. Just give points. Dollar. This is the worst. It's gonna give here. So this is the worst weapon. The boss is gonna be very easy with this power up.
Yeah. We're just gonna kill him in one hit from right. Yeah, he's a baby dragon.
With 2 hits, he's gonna die.
He's a baby dragon.
Yeah, he's gonna die now. See? Now it's gonna be very easy with this power up.
Yeah, but those tiny little.
Without power up, it's very difficult to beat this boss.
But then there is some tiny bosses.
Yeah, it looks easy because you have the power up. That's why the full power. I take the extra life.
Extra life. Lethal Xcess. Level 4. Volcanic Plateaus. We're not going to complete this. I'm not sure.
Yeah, this is just an introduction to level 4. I don't think this is not gonna be finished, completed. We need more training on this level.
Volcanius.
On the next video, we can show level 4. How to complete level 4 and level 5.
Kill them all! Kill them all! Kill them all! Ah! What the flip? Sheesh. Get too bad. Quattro. Hey. No, this is the worst. At least you saw it.
This is the worst weapon.
At least you saw it, guys.
This weapon is useless.
At least you saw it, guys. Am I right?
Blaster. You have to keep blaster all the time. Unfortunately, this is gonna be game over.
Oh,
Yeah, game over.
Yeah, we're dead.
Game over because if you downgrade the weapon, it's game over.
Oh yeah.
You should not have picked up that weapon.
Stupid dead.
Yeah, unfortunately, he's a stupid dad.
Really,
It's a silly, a little bit
Bessie.
unfair, isn't it? It's very
Bessie,
unfair.
why?
It's very unfair, isn't
Why, Bessie?
it? It's unfair. You lose the weapon, you lose everything.
Why, Bessie?
We need to learn it better.
Oh, shit.
It's okay, darling. Next time we will do it better.
I don't care.
We will beat level 4.
I don't care. We just want to kill everybody. I just
No,
want
we
to
are
kill
dead
everything.
now. We have only 0 life left.
Try to kill them all. No, we're dead. We just got one more life.
Oh!
We just got one more life. I was
See,
like,
they put
skeleton
everywhere, skulls everywhere.
All these baby ants or baby shamans, whatever those things were. And thank you for watching. Put a like and subscribe to not miss any other videos. And we completed this. We've done it.